two charges. What we have covered so far is, if there is a charge capital Q, what is the potential at point P, which is at distance r?
Yes.
Potential at point P, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. What does it mean? If you place 1 coulomb charge here, plus 1, plus will repel. This charge will move from this point to infinity. Will do how much work? Will do how much work for you? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. Yesterday we have given one example. If the potential at this point is 100 volt, 100 joule per coulomb. So this charge will do how much work for you? 100 joule. If I place 2 coulomb charge, it will do how much work for you? 100 joule per coulomb into 2 coulomb, 200. If you place 3 coulomb charge, 300. If you place 4 coulomb charge, 4. That means work done will be equal to what? Will be equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r into 1 if 1 coulomb charge at P. Work done will be equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r into 2 coulomb if 2 coulomb charge at P. And if I continue with the same pattern, what is the work done if charge is a small q? Yes. For 1 coulomb it is 1 time, 2 coulomb 2 time. If it is q, then the work done is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon r into q. If q coulomb charge at P. This much work this system can deliver for you. If this is at rest, it will move to infinity. This is what you term as potential energy, electric potential energy, capital Q into small q over 4 pi epsilon r. In a better form, if there are two charges, one charge is Q1, other charge is Q2, they are separated by distance R12. R12 represents what? Distance between charge 1 and charge 2. Then the energy, electric potential energy, is equal to what? Q1 into Q2 over 4 pi epsilon R1. 4 minutes with you to write. Three charges. Three charges Q1, Q2, Q3 are placed on the corner of a triangle. One, two, three. Sequences. Any triangle. May not be an equilateral triangle, any triangle. This is point 1, 2, 3. Charges placed. Q1, Q2, and Q3. Three charges are placed. What is the distance between 1 and 2? R12. Distance between 2 and 3, 2, 3. between these two 3 and 1, or you can write 1 and 3. You will have to define total energy of the system is equal to energy due to 1, 2. That means you will have to pair. There are 3 pairs, 1, 2 and 3. And you are to come out with the combination 2, 2 each. How many such combinations are possible? Yes. One match between 1 and 2, another match 2, 3, third 3 and 1. 3 possible pairs. U12 is equal to what? Just covered. Energy between 2 points, 2 charges, Q1, Q2 over 4 pi epsilon naught R12. 2, 3, Q2, Q3 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R23. 3 and 1, Q3, Q1 over 4 pi epsilon naught R31. 2 minutes with you to write. Four charges. Anyone? How many possible pairs? Yes. One, 2, 3, 4. Charge at 1 is Q1, 2 is Q2, Q3, Q4. Distance between 1 and 2 R12. 2, 3, 2, 3. Between 3 and 4, 3, 4. Your choice, R14 or 41. There's a distance between these two also. Yes, R24 or 42. Your choice. R13 or 31. Total energy U is equal to what? Yes. How many possible combinations? 6. How? See, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1. And then combination of 2 and 4. Sorry. Energy. Combination of 2 and 4. And combination of 1 and 3, 3, 1. Right expression for the same. 3 minutes with you. U12. Yes. Q1, Q2 over 4 pi epsilon. Distance between 1 and 2 is what? R12. 2 and 3. Q2, Q3 over 4 pi epsilon R23. 3, 4. Q3, Q4 over 4 pi epsilon R34. 4, 1. Yes. Q4, Q1 over 4 pi epsilon R14. So first 4 we have taken into account. The other 2 I will write it here. Q24. Yes. Q2, Q4 over 4 pi epsilon naught. R, yes, 2, 4 plus Q13 is Q1, Q3 over 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 and 3, yes, R, 1, 3. So 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant, you can take it out, and then you can write U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1, Q2 over R12, Q2, Q3 over R23 plus Q3, Q4, R34, Q4, Q1 over R14, Q2, Q4 over R24 plus Q1, Q3 over R13. Complete it. Refer to numerical number 6. It deals with the potential and potential difference. That means numerical related to question number 23. Numerical number 6. Question is, a point charge of 10 raised to power minus 8 coulomb is situated at the origin of coordinates. Find the potential difference between the points A, coordinate 4, 4, 2, and B, coordinate 1, 2, 2. 2 minutes with you to try. Draw a diagram. There is some charge Q given. How much? 10 raised to power minus 8 coulomb. There are 2 points. Point A with what coordinate? 4, 4, 2. Let this distance be RA. Coordinate of region, yes, 0, 0, 0. Another point, B. Coordinates 1, 2, 2. Let this distance be RB. You have to find out what? Potential difference between point A and B. It is not mentioned here whether it is VA minus VB or VB minus VA. Let me say it is VA minus VB. So to find out this, step 1, find VA. VA is equal to what? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RA. Question is RA is equal to what? Yes, RA is equal to what? If there are coordinates 0, 0, 0, 4, 4, 2, R is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square under root. Means what? RA is equal to what? RA is equal to 4 minus 0 square, 4 square, 4 minus 0 square, 4 square, 2 minus 0 square, 2 square, comes out to be what? 16 plus 16, 32 plus 4, 36, and root comes out to be 6. So RA is equal to 6. Q 10 raised to power minus 8 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Value for 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 raised to power 9. Charge Q is equal to what? 10 raised to power minus 8. Divided by RA is equal to what? 6. What you get is, yes, 15 volt, 15 volts. Step 2, find VB, potential at point B due to this charge. Formula, charge over 4 pi epsilon naught RB. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to what? 9 into 10 raised to power 9. Charge 10 raised to power minus 8 divided by RB. RB is equal to 1 minus 0 square plus 2 minus 0 square plus 2 minus 0 square under root. Comes out to be what? 3. Divided by 3 is equal to what? 30 volts. Step 3. You have to find potential difference. Potential of A minus potential of B is equal to, potential of A is what? 15 minus potential of B is 13. What you get is minus 15. What we have answered is potential of A with respect to B. If the question is potential of B with respect to A, answer is plus 15. Refer to numerical number 15, 1-5. Numerical number 15 is 2 point charges A and B of value plus 15 microcoulomb and plus 9 microcoulomb are kept 18 centimeter apart in air. Calculate the work done when charge B is moved by 3 centimeter towards A. Given charge A is how much? Yes, 15 microcoulomb plus charge B, how much? 9 microcoulomb. Initial status, yes, two charges QA, another charge is QB. Distance between the two is R, which is equal to 18 centimeter. Initial 18. After some time, what is the final position? Draw diagram for final position. Yes, charge B is moved towards A by what distance? 3 centimeter. So you keep charge A as it is, same position. Move B to a new distance r dash, which is equal to 15 centimeter. Question number 1. Potential energy, electric potential energy has increased or decreased? Increased, because the formula for potential energy is Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R, inversely proportional to R. R decreases, potential energy increases. Step 1. Find initial potential energy. Initial potential energy is QA QB over 4 pi epsilon naught R. Initial. It is 18 centimeter SI unit, 0.18 meter. R dash, 0.15 meter. You can find out this energy, comes out to something. Step 2. Final energy is equal to what? QA QB over 4 pi epsilon naught. R dash is equal to what? You solve and write it here. Anyone? Change in potential energy. Yes, this potential energy has changed because you have done some work. Work done by you appears in form of electric potential energy, +1. There is an object lying on the floor. You are doing some work, mg into h. Work done by you is force into distance, mg into h. It gets stored in form of gravitational potential energy. Here, you push this charge towards another positive charge. You will have to do work. Work done by you gets stored in form of electric potential energy. So, work done is equal to magnitude of the work done is equal to increase in potential energy is equal to U final minus U initial is equal to, solve it. Find U initial in joule and U final in joule. 2 minutes for calculation. Anyone with the U initial is equal to what? 6.75 joule. How many of you are getting 6.75? Right. 6.75 joule. What was the second one? 8.1 joule. If it is correct, let us work out. Final energy is 8.10 minus 6.75 comes out to be what? Yes? 1.35. Check the answer, please. Yes, correct answer. 1.35. Numerical number 18, 18. Question is, 3-point charges of 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb, 3 coulomb are placed at the corners of an equilateral triangle of side 100 centimeter. Find work done to move these charges to the corners of a similar equilateral triangle of side 50 centimeter. Draw the diagram. Initial and final diagram. Initial status. Charges, yes, 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb and 3 coulomb. Placed at what distance? 1 meter. 100 centimeter means 1 meter. Initial status. Final status. Yes. Final status is this one. When you draw, you must decrease this distance. 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb, 3 coulomb. What is the new distance? R dash, half, 0.5 meters. R dash, 0.5 meter. R dash, 0.5 meter. It is initial status, this is final status, step 1. Initial energy is equal to what? Combination. How many pairs are possible? Between 1 and 2. That is charge 1 coulomb Q1 Q2 over 4 pi epsilon naught R. Second one, yes, 2 and 3. 2 coulomb, 3 coulomb, distance between the two, 4 pi epsilon naught R. 3 and 1, 3, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught R. Initial energy is equal to what? Yes, 2 plus 6 plus 3, 11 over 4 pi epsilon naught R. Initial. Step 2. Final energy is equal to what? What is the change? Same expression, plus 1 plus 2, 4 pi epsilon naught R. In place of R, you get R dash. The rest is the same. So your answer will be 11 over 4 pi epsilon naught R dash. Final energy will be more. Why? Because R dash is 0.5, R dash is half. So, if this value R is equal to 1, your answer is 11 by 4 pi epsilon naught R. R is 1. Here it is 11 by 4 pi epsilon naught. R dash is 0.5. 0.5 means 1 by 2. Means what? 22 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Step 3. Change in energy is equal to final minus initial. Final is 22 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Initial is 11 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Answer is 22 minus 11. 11 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the value of 4 pi epsilon naught? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value, this value is equal to what? 9 into 10 to the power 9. So answer is 99 into 10 to the power 9. Or you can say 9.9 into 10 to the power 10 units.